Hi traders, welcome back for another video about Solana news and price prediction. Before see the possible scenarios in the future of Solana crypto, don't miss subscribe and turn all notifications to be updated in the all news and price analysis for all crypto. Solana's price is preparing for a quick run up to significant resistance levels. While this rally might cause many traders to get euphoric, it will be nothing but a dead cat bounce. One that will likely catch many investors off guard. SOL ready to trap uninformed participants. Solana's price crashed by roughly 63% between 5-12 May, pushing it down from $95.20 to $34.97. This crash came as many participants in the industry were caught holding their bags after the LUNA UST ecosystem crashed. As a result, Bitcoin and the ecosystem triggered a massive sell-off. One that has caused many assets to crash by more than 60% over the last week and roughly 85% since its all-time highs. However, the downswing seems to have come to an end, at least temporarily. This has led to many altcoins rallying violently, including SOL. As of this writing, SOL was hovering around $52 and showed potential for a higher move. The immediate resistance barrier at $76.91 is where the bulls are likely to propel SOL. This move would constitute a 45% gain from its press time position. Due to this rally, many traders could get euphoric and continue to long altcoins. However, the macro outlook for BTC is still weak and favors the bears. Therefore, rejection at $76.91 is something that market participants need to keep a close eye on. If the bears take control, the resulting downswing could crash SOL's price by 72% to the immediate support level at $38.43. Supporting this incoming uptrend for Solana's price is the on-chain volume. This index has declined from a peak of 5.82 billion on May 12 to 1.71 billion as of May 18. In total, the on-chain volume has slumped from 70.6%. While this decline is bearish, SOL has responded accordingly. However, going forward, investors can expect a minor uptrend in both the on-chain metric as well as the asset's price. This development could see Solana's price hit the $76.91 hurdle, which is in line with the forecast from a technical perspective. Therefore, interested investors will pay close attention to the $76.91 hurdle for a potential reversal, confirming the dead cat bounce. Solana attempted to rally after reaching the support at $44 and gained over 50%, reaching the key resistance at $57. However, at that point, sellers intervened and prevented any further upside momentum, pushing the price back to the lower $50s. If buyers cannot recover from this soon, SOL could end back on the key support. While Solana's price is found in a range, this is unlikely to last since market forces seem more likely to push it out of this area one way or another. Unless buyers come back, SOL might retest the $44 support level, based on the current indicators. Solana price today is $52.53, with a 24-hour trading volume of $3.87 billion, market cap of $17.73 billion, and market dominance of 1.35%. The SOL price increased 3.85% in the last 24 hours. Solana reached its highest price on November 6, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $259.52. The lowest price since its ADH was $36.54, cycle low. The highest SOL price since the last cycle low was $58.78 cycle high. The Solana price prediction sentiment is currently bearish. Solana's current circulating supply is 337.49 MSOL, out of max supply of 500.00 MSOL. In terms of market cap, Solana is currently ranked 1 in the proof-of-stake coin sector and ranked 2 in the Solana network sector. Solana price has been stuck in a narrow range after last week's crash. The price has stabilized at about $55.62, which is about 56% above the lowest point last week. As a result, the SOL coin's total market cap has dropped to about $19 billion, making it the 8th biggest digital coin in the world. SOL has erased its value by over 79% from its all-time high. Solana is one of the most successful blockchain platforms in the world. This success is seen in the many platforms that currently use its technology. For example, it is the same technology that powers the popular Brave browser, which is used by more than 50 million every month. Additionally, the platform has been used to build StepN, the popular move-to-earn platform. Other popular applications built using Solana are Squads, Serum, Radium, and Apricot Finance, among others. The Solana price has declined sharply in the past few months. The regular outages and the weak performance of its DeFi ecosystem have contributed to the coin's weakness. For example, according to DeFi Llama, its DeFi total value locked has fallen by more than 30% in the past 30 days to the current $4.41 billion. The price of Solana in the IEO was 22 cents and the token sale ended on March 24, 2020. Since then, SOL price increased to 36.35x against US dollar, increased 15.95x against Ethereum and increased 51.55x against Bitcoin. Solana has moved below the 25-day and 50-day moving averages. At the same time, it has formed an inverted cup and handle pattern that is shown in blue. It has also created a bearish pennant pattern. Therefore, while more gains are likely, there is a possibility that the coin's price will continue falling as bears target the key support at $50. The alternative scenario is where the coin's price retests the important resistance at 70. SOL's breach of its 5-month trendline resistance weight paved the way for a bear run that accounted for a 55.4% decline within the bounds of a falling wedge. With a massive selling pressure kicking in, the alt dived toward its 9-month low on May 12. As the buyers were eager to defend the $43 support, SOL saw an expected falling wedge breakout. While the 38.2% Fibonacci resistance held up well, the sellers have constricted the recent buying rallies in the $58.17 zone at press time. SOL traded at $57.1675. The alt's RSI recorded a steady growth after recouping its power from the oversold zone. As a result, the index found a position above the midline, while favoring the bulls. Furthermore, the AO formed bullish twin peaks that helped the oscillator jump above the zero mark. According to our current Solana price prediction, the value of Solana will rise by 9.85% and reach $57.69 by May 24, 2022. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish while the fear and greed index is showing extreme fear. Solana recorded 33% green days with 24.96% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Solana forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Solana. Based on today's classical pivot point, with the value of $52.42, Solana has support levels of $47.18, $44.49, and the strongest at $39.25. Similarly, Solana resistance levels are at $55.10, $60.34, and $63.03. Solana price is positively correlated with the top 10 coins by market cap with a value of 0.571, excluding Tether, and positively correlated with the top 100 coins by market cap excluding all stablecoins with a value of 0.523. Currencies that are positively correlated with Solana indicate that the movement of one has a statistically significant weight to lead the other in the same direction. For currencies that are negatively correlated with Solana, the move in one direction for Solana would translate into a move in the opposite direction for the negatively correlated coin. To get a better idea of what could happen to the Solana price in the future, it's helpful to also explore Solana's price history. In the last month, the SOL/USD pair is down -49.81%. The one-year performance of SOL/USD is 12.06%.